Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A15 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You want to click in your Samsung Galaxy A15 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say wallpaper and style. After click over wallpaper and style, is going to appear just like this. You need to click here change wallpaper. From here there is a bunch of category wallpaper available. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this one and then it's going to appear. Do you like to set this picture in your lock screen or wallpaper? So I'm going to uncheck this and only I would like to change my home screen wallpaper. So I'm going to choose this home screen and I'm going to click here next. And now this is how the wallpaper going to be preview looks like. I'm going to click here done. After done successfully, let me go back and we'll see now phone going to appear new wallpaper. So within this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A15. You might be had a favorite picture and you want to set them. For that you need to click again in your Samsung Galaxy A15 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here wallpaper and style. After click over wallpaper and style, you need to click here change wallpaper. From here you can choose gallery or graphical or color or wallpaper service. Anyway, I'm going to choose here in this time from the gallery and then it's going to appear gallery and I would like to set this picture and then I'm going to click here done. Now when you click done, it's going to appear do you like to set this picture in your home screen or lock screen. So I would like to set this picture in my home screen, so I check on the home screen and uncheck the lock screen and I'm going to click here next. Now this is how it's going to be looks like. I'm going to click here done and now let me go back. So if I go back, we will see now my phone going to appear new wallpaper. So within this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.